Now that you better understand what your students must know and be able to do, you may be wondering how to get them there. Yes, well, first you must be clear on where they want to end up, whether you want the end results of your students' journey to be Pretoria, Cape Town or Johannesburg. But once a teacher clearly understands to where she is supposed to lead her students, the next big question immediately becomes, what are the most efficient, effective, and doable ways to get them there? Now, obviously, the answer to that question, how to get a student to a specific goal, is dependent upon multiple variables, including where the student is now, the amount of instructional time, competing priorities, and available resources. The what, the destination or goal, and the how, in this case, the teaching or learning strategy for achieving the what, are two very different things. This is where lesson planning and this unit, of course, come in. One way teachers teach students is through the use of text or print material. Whether that text is part of an actual document, manual, website, or maybe a visual image on a screen, being able to figure out the meaning of the print put in front of us is critical for survival, let alone success at school. If a driver, for example, doesn't know the difference between a stop street and a yield sign, chaos can result. And as if this challenge wasn't enough, the print put in front of students in increasing amounts is in English, which is a difficult language. Now, Unit 3 looks at two main topics. What criteria can teachers choose in selecting the most appropriate English texts for learning? And, once selected, what are various reading comprehension strategies that will help students better understand any printed material they encounter, including those in English?